Hello everyone, this is 344 lecture. एक question asked in BT 2002. 50 meter long pipe of diameter 300 mm carrying water at 5 meter per second velocity. Find head loss. Use Chezy formula. C is equal to 16. So we have to find out the head loss, that is HF. FH is equal to 4 FL B square upon 2GD. Now here we have to use the formula, that is V equal to C root over MI. I equals to your HF by L. I is equal to HF by L. So we can use this formula to find out the I with the help of this, and with the I and knowing the length 50 meter, we can always find out the HF. So what will you do? B equals to how much? This is given, that is 5 meter per second, right? And D equals to your 300 mm, that is 0.3 meter. This is 0.3 meter. Now let us find out the M. M is equal to A by P. So A equals to pi by 4 D square and P is equal to pi D. This is for circular pipe. So A by P is nothing, that is pi by 4 D square divided by pi D, that is D by 4. So this is D by 4. So M equals to D by 4. So D is equal to 0.3 divided by 4 is your M. And what is I? We have to find out. And C is given, C equal to 60. So by using this formula, we can have B equals to, that is C 60 root over M. M equals to your 0.3 upon 4 into I. This is what. B is given 5 meter. This is given 5. 5 equal to 60 root over 0.3 upon 4 into I. So let us find out this thing by using this formula. We have, you can say this is what we are getting, that is 5 upon 60 equals to root over 0.3 upon 4 I. So you can have 5 square upon 60, 5 upon 60 square equals to 0.3 upon 4 into I. This will be like this. So you can always find out this I. What will be the I? I will be your 25 upon 60 into 60, right, into 4 upon 0.3 equal to your I. Let us see. This is 25 into 4 divided by 60 divided by 60 divided by 0.3. This is coming 0.00, 0.09, 259. This is your I. And Y is equal to HF upon L. So this is your 0.093, you can say. So HF equals to 0.093 multiplied by 50. This is giving 4.62. This is coming 4.62. This is 0.093 into 50. 4.65. This is coming for 4.65. This is your HF. So with the help of you can find out your HF head loss is 4.65 meter, you can say. This head loss in meter. So this is